Yeah, 'cause I mean, year to date, that's all that matters. 10%. I'm still around the S&P 500. So year to date is 12%. So I'm slightly not performing, but that's one day, and I'm back. Cool. So the order was accepted in the queue. Query just because the broker does not allow fractional shutdown repairing. I kind of want 24. Okay, 23 is cool. That's fine. As you see here, the RAM right here is already queued for a queued sale, and then just put a queue in for what's up, fam? Look like the JRS TV. If you're on my channel, hit that like, comment, subscribe button. We cover all things AI, business, investing, and self-improvement content that I'm interested in. Take a look at some old videos. If you're returning to the channel, appreciate you tuning back in. This is a part 3 to building my Robinhood trading AI agent. If you're new, this is your first time watching the video, you got to catch up on your homework. So let me go ahead and show y'all where y'all can go ahead and tap in. Right here, I got episode 1, episode 2 already out. I use ChatGPT and Codex to build a Robinhood AI trading agent. Seems as though, this is getting some good feedback, some good views. So I'm just going to keep it going. Just experimenting, honestly, guys. I'm just experimenting, just seeing how it works. What is recommending, what trades is recommending. This is pretty much like I want to keep it like a trading account. I haven't sold anything yet because at the same time, some of the positions I'm in, I still kind of know they could be valued a little more. So I'm probably going to hold. These might be a weekly, monthly, every couple of weeks I might sell, but I'll probably sell when I feel like it's the right time to sell. So here's the agentic trading portfolio right here. As you can see on the week, I'm up 15% on the week. So actually a pretty good week. On the month, I am pretty much flat for the most part. Flat for the most part. On the 3-month, I'm up 10%. Year to date, I'm actually up 10%. At peak, I was at 16% on August 4th. So 2 days ago, on the recording of this video, I was up 16%. We're having a bit of a drawdown right now going into market close. So things are kind of taking a beating. But dive a little deeper into some of my positions. Rubric, I've been in this company for a couple weeks, couple months now, since June 5th, June, July. So 2 months now I've been in this position, and I'm currently up 15% on this position. So not too bad. It's up 50% this back week. Peak is at $88. My average is 73. So I'm software is just starting to break out. So I'm gonna let this kind of like play out for a little bit, CoreWeave is a new position I started in the last episode, which I think is going to do pretty well for me. It's a 2x leverage. This is not financial. This is not financial advice, fellas. This is not a woman. This is not financial advice. This is very risky, especially using 2x leverage. I'm just using like $10 a month in this account, so it's kind of like if I lose it, it's cool. If not, it's not. But I don't think I'm going to lose it though. So do this to your own risk tolerance. But on the past week, up 78% on the past week. Down 7% a month. Oof, year 3 month is down bad. That's why I bought it. Because CoreWeave has been getting spanked. NeoCloud's being spanked. Today, Burry just put a short report out on Nebius, so that whole sector is probably taking a little bit of a hit. But I'm willing to wait for this. But I'm still up 10% on this position that I started July 15th. And I see here I added some money last week to kind of average down when we did take a little hit. And then RAM, this is the only thing I'm off. I'm down right now. It's a 2x leverage DRAM, which is your memory sector. So it holds like SA Hynix, Micron, that type of sector. I'm still down 26% on this position here. One share, not as big as a position in the portfolio as the other 2 positions. As I can see, ChatGPT is connected here. So let's go ahead and pull up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my plugin here in ChatGPT, Russell Empire AI Trading Agent, which is this. Just Provide me a summary of my portfolio and what you recommend going forward. Don't grab my spelling. What do you recommend with the intent of this being a trading account, but also maximizing profits? So agentic count snapshot position as August 6. Rubric just gave me an overview. So right now, like I said, I'm down 26% on the DROM. Cash and bound power 0, no margins being used. Your account is profitable, but 46% is invested in the daily 2x leverage, leaving no capital for new opportunities. Corby decline returns a day while RAM decline volatility. I will make this adjustment. Hold all of the Rubric shares. Sell. They telling me take the L on RAM. Trim 1 share of core review shares. Maintain 34% or 30. Report August 11, 44% through that event. Crazy stuff with GAT risk. Limit any individual 2x, either 100%. Keep 50% for pullbacks and confirm breakouts on lowest position. Take 25% profits around 20% on the trail. Never average down on leverage ETF for Rubik. Protect the gain. Okay, so what I might do is I think I'm going to go ahead and put an order in to sell some position at like, so say like Graham. I might put an order in to sell that. I'm not taking no losses, bro. So we're going to either average down or I don't, but I'm going to say less than 10% loss. Try to break even for the round hill. I mean, I'm cool with waiting it. Core weave, I wouldn't mind selling, but it got to go back up to like, what's another high? It just went back at like 23 on the month, 26. So like 23. 23.96, I would sell like 1.2 share. What they saying sell? You're telling me to sell 1.2 share. Yeah, okay. Put a order into, like I said, I wish it could automatically trade, but I don't think it has that feature yet. But put an order in to sell. They ain't give me the options. Let's do At 23, would I be, how much would I be making? Let's do this one. Let's do what's recommended. Yeah, because I mean, year to date, that's all that matters. 10%. I'm still around the S&P 500. So year to date is 12%. So I'm slightly not performing, but that's one day, and I'm back. Cool. So the order was accepted in the queue. The query was just with the broker does not allow fractional shutdown repairing. I kind of want 24. Okay, 23 is cool. That's fine. As you see here, the RAM right here is already queued for a queued sale, and then just put a queue in for the leverage core weave position as well. So cool. Now I do have option options. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't be opposed looking at some Zeta options. Not gonna lie. On some quick swing jump. Quick swing. Like today was a bad day. Dang, I should have won it today though. Let's do August 28th. I don't have that much cash though to even do that. I would definitely have to sell. I think I might do that next if I can free up some cash, maybe. Okay, so yeah. So I'm gonna be looking into some options possibly once I raise some more cash up, but just put those orders to see. This is just a quick update of the agentic portfolio. So yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment below. Let me know what options y'all want to see, any videos y'all want to see. But yeah, JRS TV.